Welcome to another episode of Home Life Podcast, a podcast where we share real stories of people who've moved away from home, their struggles, their successes, and some of the lessons that they've learned along the way. Today, I speak to Kaustubh Kulkarni, a mechanical engineer based in Pune who's lived and worked across Mumbai, Iowa, and Burlington. Kaustubh shares his journey from small town Sangli to the US, reveals what it's really like moving across continents, and talks candidly about career struggles, family sacrifices, and why cultural shocks can be hilarious, lonely, and transformative all at once. We explore not just STEM careers, but how your idea of home evolves, what it takes to succeed abroad, and why returning to India isn't a failure, it's a new beginning. By the end, you'll get an honest advice for anyone thinking about moving abroad, lessons in networking and resilience, and a new perspective on what truly makes us feel at home. Enjoy.
Hold up. When did we grow up?
Kaustubh, again want to say thank you for signing up, especially doing this before work. Hopefully manager na dekh le.
It's a good start of the day actually then.
Acha, good.
Yeah,
Good.
Yeah.
What time do you usually go to work though? Is it early
It's
or?
about 10. It's not early. I leave my home at 9 and due to traffic and all I reach by 10.
Okay.
Right.
Where do you where do you live in Pune, and
I live
where
in
do you work?
Hadassar. I live in
Acha.
Hadassar. I'm in Aura Park Town and I work
Oh,
in
okay.
Commerce Zone IT Park, so which is
Acha.
about 12 kilometers from here.
अच्छा, damn, 12 kilometers का 1 घंटा तो
1 घंटा तो लगता है, हर रोज लगता है.
लगता है.
If you're
Crazy.
lucky, 45 minutes.
Yeah, man. You know, that's one thing यहाँ आके one difference was यहाँ पे लोग बोलते कि oh yeah 12 miles पे या whatever, and
Yeah.
then 12 miles is like, you know, it'll at the most take you like 15-20 minutes.
15 minutes, yeah.
Easy, yeah.
When I was living in US, my office was about 28 miles. It took me 33 minutes every day for 28 miles.
I know, calculation simple हो जाता है पर you
हाँ,
say
बहुत
like
simple हो
20
जाता
some
है.
mile तो 30 minute. Yeah.
हाँ.
Nice. So where you born and raised? You were born and raised in Pune or somewhere else?
So I was born in Sawantwadi actually. It's
Acha.
a city in Konkan, and I was raised in Sangli. So Sangli
Oh,
is
okay.
about 4.5 hours from Pune.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I did
nice.
my
So
schooling nearby Sangli.
Okay.
I did my engineering and college in Sangli itself, in
Okay.
Walchand College of Engineering.
Acha.
Yeah.
Nice. So your parents, your relatives, सब लोग सांगली से?
सब लोग Sangli से ही है.
Yeah, you have family also in you said Sawantwadi.
No,
Sawantwadi?
there's no one living in Sawantwadi right now. My grandfather used to stay there, my mom's dad. So he
Okay.
was working in government, so he used to travel a lot. So that's why we stayed there. My mom stayed there.
Acha.
And then, but my paternal parents and I mean all the family lives in Sangli
Sangli.
itself. Yeah.
Okay. तो फिर पुणे कैसा आना हुआ?
Job.
Was it job?
Okay. That's because of the job, yeah. So I completed my engineering in 2016. I did my
Okay.
mechanical engineering. तो यहाँ पे पहले मुंबई में मैंने job start किया. So it was a
अच्छा.
company named Black and Veatch.
Okay.
Worked there for 3 years. Out of those 3 years, with the same company, I worked in Pune for 2 years. Pune for 1 year and Mumbai for 2 years. So before
Okay.
moving to US, I worked here for 3 years, then moved to US in 2019.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was that the plan starting से कि you know, want to after college के बाद, you know, want to go out and see, explore करना है कि क्या opportunities
बिल्कुल
है?
भी नहीं. प्लान तो था ही नहीं वो. So प्लान तो जब जॉब मिला तब पैसे आना शुरू हो गए थे, तो वी यूज्ड टू लाइक पार्टी अ लॉट, roam a lot, travel a lot with
हाँ.
friends. So college friends एक ही साथ प्लेस हुए थे and they were nearby, so we used to do fun activities, we used to roam a lot. So ये thought कभी
हाँ.
आया ही नहीं कि यार मास्टर्स कर लेते हैं, नहीं तो पढ़ाई और कर लेते हैं, व्हाट नॉट.
हाँ,
बट माय पेरेंट्स वर लाइक, इफ यू सेटल डाउन हियर राइट नाउ इन द जॉब, you will never do a masters or you will never study
that's a
further.
good point.
Right. So they kind of motivated me. They kind of pushed me to at least do a M.Tech in India or masters abroad, anywhere. Just do a post
Yeah.
graduation, so you'll be better off in the future. So that was the
Hmm.
driving force. And then started researching. My cousin was already living in US. So
Oh, अच्छा.
yeah, so he kind of guided me as well कि क्या क्या करना है,
Okay.
कैसे कैसे करना है. हाँ, तो फिर वही प्लान बना कि जीआरई दे देते, टोफल दे देते और यूएस चले जाते मास्टर्स करने.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So सांगली से निकलने का प्लान क्या था? Was it again वो एक एक्सपेक्टेशन था कि कॉलेज के बाद want to
या आई
get a
मीन
job
या
outside?
सांगली से पहले भी मेरी स्कूलिंग ना एक विटा करके एक टाउन है, वहाँ पे हुई थी.
Okay. Vita.
तो हाँ, विटा.
Okay.
सो दैट वाज अप टू 10th. एंड माय
Okay.
मॉम वाज लाइक कि 10th के बाद जो भी कॉलेज करना है तो एटलीस्ट अ बिगर टाउन में करना है. तो सांगली सिटी वाज अ वेरी गुड सिटी
Hmm.
फॉर कॉलेज एंड एजुकेशन. सो हम लोग सांगली मूव हो गए. तो 10th के बाद मैंने डिप्लोमा किया मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में और
Hmm.
वालचंद कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग से, और वहीं पे मैंने डिग्री भी की, बैचलर्स भी की. तो
Okay.
6 साल वही उसी कॉलेज में था. तो इट वाज अ
Okay.
प्रीटी गुड कॉलेज, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज. बड़ी नाइस एजुकेशन और प्लेसमेंट्स भी अच्छे थे उसके. So
Hmm.
after that, I got a job in campus placement actually, and then due to job itself, purely job itself, I moved to Mumbai.
Mumbai. Yeah.
Right, right.
Parents. I'm sure your parents were. It seems like your parents were quite involved
Yes,
in this
yes.
decision.
Yeah, all the
And
time,
I mean,
all the time.
and also like they moved Vita se
They moved.
Sangli for
They moved.
your education.
Education, yes.
Wow.
It's
हाँ,
about
it's big.
1 hour travel. So, but my dad used to travel daily uh, for work.
वही ना,
So he
you
still
think
works in
back,
Vita. Yeah,
you think back तभी शायद even I kind of think back and it's like some of the sacrifices that your parents make, you at the time you
yeah.
don't realize.
You don't
um
realize at all, man. I was in 10th standard, 11th standard. I mean, I didn't
हाँ,
realize at all.
you were a kid.
It's
Yeah,
just, yeah, a kid.
yeah.
Now when I go to office every day, 1 hour, and dad used to travel like 40, 50 kilometers every day. I was like, अरे बहुत ज़्यादा travel करते थे यार वो. मुझे अभी तो तब तो realize नहीं हुआ, अभी realize हो रहा
हाँ,
है ना.
yeah. My तो बोथ मेरे पापा मम्मी बोथ दोनों काम करते थे, तो
हम्म,
पुणे में. तो माय नाना नानी रेज में, पर उनका था कि मेरे नाना जी वो रिटायर हो चुके थे तब तक.
हम्म,
तो एक रूटीन बन गया था वेयर माय पेरेंट्स गो टू वर्क, दे कम पिक मी अप, टेक
हम्म.
मी टू अपना लाइक किंडरगार्टन बेसिकली, ड्रॉप मी ऑफ वहीं पे 3-4 घंटा बैठते थे गाड़ी में, और ख़त्म होके मुझे पिकअप करके घर लाना, खाना खिलाना, ये सब करना, फिर लेके मेरे मम्मी के पास जाना, मम्मी का लंच होता था, मम्मी को खाना खिलाना, फिर वापस घर आना, फिर वो होने के बाद देन वो लोग जब वो घर आते थे फिर मुझे लेकर. सो लाइक पेरेंट्स एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, आई थिंक दे
Yeah.
sacrifice quite a lot that you don't, I guess, realize.
You realize it now, but
Yeah.
back then you were like in your own world.
Yeah.
बहुत यंग होते हैं, काफी दोस्त होते हैं, ये होते हैं, कुछ रियलाइज नहीं होता.
बिल्कुल.
राइट.
So Sangli se, when you came to Pune, how was that experience? नया शहर, दोस्त, like you had friends
आई हैड
who had.
फ्रेंड्स. सांगली से पहले मुंबई गया था एक्चुअली
Oh, अच्छा
जॉब
अच्छा,
के लिए.
सांगली से मुंबई.
सांगली से मुंबई
Okay.
गया था. तब
Okay.
ज्यादा सभी दोस्त पुणे में थे. तो आई यूज्ड टू कम एवरी वीकेंड टू पुणे.
Okay.
क्योंकि सब कॉलेज के दोस्त पुणे में थे. तो आई हैड अ बाइक, पापा की बाइक थी एक्चुअली, वो मैं मुंबई लेके गया था. तो
Okay. मुंबई
वही
to पुणे.
लेके मुंबई टू पुणे, पुणे टू मुंबई एवरी वीकेंड.
Oh wow.
बट आई यूज टू ट्रैवल अलॉट, आई मीन हाइकिंग जाना इधर उधर, बहुत बहुत सारी चीजें करता था, तो दोस्तों के साथ
हाँ
अकेले भी जाता था इफ नो वन इज अवेलेबल। सो दैट
yeah
वाज प्रीटी गुड टाइम। 2-3 साल की, अभी घर पे नहीं रह रहे, ऐसे फ्रीडम सा मिल गया है ऐसा लगता था।
freedom.
तो यूज टू डू अ लॉट
Yeah,
ऑफ
make
थिंग्स।
make the most of it. And what a
या
place
मेक
to
द
be,
मोस्ट
right?
ऑफ इट।
Mumbai, and
मुंबई,
then
राइट।
Pune भी पास
पुणे।
में है. Like, um, have you gone सिंहगढ़ का
हाँ,
ट्रैक करने वो
बहुत बार
सब?
ट्रैक करने, बहुत बार।
Uh,
सिंहगढ़
I
का बहुत बार गए।
yeah, I remember I'd gone. मैं actually 2-3 बार ही गया हूँ. पर पहली बार जब गया था मैं, ऊपर जाके I had the ऊपर वो पिटला भाकरी मिलती थी. I don't know
हाँ
अभी
हाँ
मिलती है या
हाँ,
नहीं.
अब मिल,
That
अभी तो रिसेंटली गया नहीं हूँ मैं, अभी बहुत साल हो गए
हाँ,
जाके, पर
I'm
तब
sure
था, तब
ऊपर
तब तो
मॉल खुल गया
मिलती थी।
रहेगा अब तक. फूड मॉल
अब
खुल गया
मॉल तो
रहेगा
नहीं,
अब तक.
लेकिन अच्छा अच्छा मिलता है अभी भी।
मिलता है. या
हाँ, राइट। इट्स क्रेजी मैन व्हेन यू लुक बैक।
या
अब आपने बोला सिंहगढ़ का, तो इट्स बीन लाइक 6-7 years सिंस आई बीन देयर, इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम।
wow wow um yeah I in Pune only, when you said trekking, like
हाँ।
I live in, so abhi I live in Michigan.
हम्म।
बहुत ही, like Michigan is like completely flat, like
आई नो।
hills है ही
आई
नहीं. And
आई लिव्ड इन
I
आयोवा।
oh, so even
फ्लैटर
flatter.
फ्लैटर देन मिशिगन।
Flatter or
फ्लैटर,
and सिर्फ
कुछ
it's
भी
only
नहीं। कॉर्न,
yeah, and only corn.
ओनली कॉर्न मैन, नथिंग
बिल्कुल.
एल्स।
I know, and simple things. You said hiking, you said trekking, and Sinhagarh se I remembered uh, hills and mountains. Like आंखें तरस जाती है, like
हाँ वो तो
whenever
है।
I go to, मैं एक बार यहाँ पे I don't know if you ever been, मैं डेनवर गया था. डेनवर actually
हाँ
गया,
गया वो।
डेनवर नहीं गया, but I drove through. वो even like just seeing the mountains, I felt इतना like सुकून.
हाँ, और वो तो हम भी गए थे डेनवर, रॉकी माउंटेन्स, पाइक्स पीक्स वगैरह,
हाँ,
वहाँ पे बहुत सही है वो तो। आई मीन इट फील्स लाइक होम। आई मीन चलो, आ गए भाई, ऐसे माउंटेन्स में तो आ गए एटलीस्ट।
mountains में आ गए.
आ गए,
Yeah,
राइट।
man. Yeah,
एंड
but
एंड व्हेन आई वाज लिविंग इन आयोवा, एटलीस्ट 5 घंटे ट्रैवल करना पड़ता था कि कुछ तो ट्रेल मिल जाए, हाइक मिल जाए। आई मीन देयर वर स्टेट पार्क्स, बट ठीक ठाक थे वो। नो वन
हाँ,
अराउंड इन द स्टेट पार्क, जस्ट छोटे से लेक, छोटा सा ये। बट
yeah.
मिशिगन मिशिगन अच्छा है एक्चुअली, ब्यूटीफुल है काफी।
मिशिगन समर में काफी ब्यूटीफुल है.
हाँ हाँ,
um लेक है, so you have that whole lake life. And
राइट।
I say मिशिगन में कुछ होता नहीं है. That's what I look at that
ओ,
as a positive thing. There are no hurricanes, there are no tornadoes, there's no crazy flooding, there's no volcano, like touch wood.
राइट।
There's nothing crazy that happens, so you can kind of live thoda peacefully.
हाँ,
um but yeah, but Iowa is, I have a close friend who abhi she is studying in Iowa
आयोवा
State.
स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी।
हाँ, Iowa State में. हाँ,
या
she's
मैंने
doing a
भी वहीं से
PhD.
किया मास्टर्स।
अच्छा, oh nice.
राइट राइट, या।
Nice. So I still have to go to Iowa. अभी तक गया नहीं हूँ मैं. So that is pending.
इट्स गुड
uh
इफ यू हैव फ्रेंड्स। ऐसे ही आप अकेले जा रहे हो तो इट डजंट मेक सेंस। आई मीन
yeah,
मेरे वहाँ पे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स बन गए वहाँ पे,
okay.
तो आई लाइक स्टेइंग देयर। अच्छा है।
अच्छा, nice.
हम्म। हम्म।
So फिर मुंबई में you started working,
यस।
and then you eventually then moved to Pune before coming to Iowa?
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
I'll give you a timeline. I graduated in 2016. So I joined a company in Mumbai 2016 में। तो 2018 तक तो वहाँ काम किया मुंबई में, and with
Yeah.
the same company they transferred me to Pune. So there
Okay.
was a job opening actually, and they said, "Hey, do you want to go to Pune?" Yeah, sure, why not, man? I mean, I have
Answer is always yes.
always yes, always
So मैं
yes.
थोड़ा biased हूँ.
So पुणे से इसलिए नहीं, मैं भी बायस ही था। पुणे
हाँ,
पुणे मतलब चलो, मेरे फ्रेंड्स सारे पुणे में थे, तो
हाँ.
तो like without giving a second thought, yes, so there was an interview, like yeah, I mean I'll give you an interview, I was selected and I came to Pune. So the same
Nice.
company, a different office. Then पुणे में 1 साल रहा 2018 to 19 before moving to US.
Okay, okay.
हाँ.
Mumbai, Pune का difference, what did you feel?
Feel work-wise, not much difference.
Okay.
But like lifestyle-wise, living-wise, बहुत difference क्योंकि अब तो मैं I mean we used to live together with my friends. I mean, so पहले तो कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे, अब तो कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स भी मिल गए, तो फिर बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफरेंस हो गया लाइफस्टाइल में
हाँ.
कि पहले बहुत ट्रैवल करना पड़ता था दोस्तों से मिलने के लिए, अब तो उनके साथ रह रहा हूँ, तो
Yeah.
इट वाज प्रीटी फन ईयर 1 साल
Yeah.
वो, हाँ बहुत अच्छा
Nice.
था।
Where in Pune did you come to, and where did you stay?
मगरपट्टा।
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
राइट नाउ
Nice.
ऑफिस भी मेरा वही था, कॉमर्स एंड आईटी पार्क में, येरवड़ा में, तो अभी
अच्छा.
दूसरी कंपनी है वैसे, बट तो वो ऑफिस भी वहीं पे, तो द
Oh,
डिस्टेंस इज
wow.
सेम बट द ट्रैफिक इज वर्स राइट नाउ।
Oh,
इट
of
यूज्ड टू बी
course.
लाइक प्रीटी गुड लाइक 5-6 years बैक, तो तब
Hmm.
मुझे आधा घंटा लगता था, अब मुझे 1 घंटा लगता है, टू गिव इन टाइम
Wow.
पर्सपेक्टिव।
मेरे dad, जब हम इंडिया में थे, so he used to travel from, we lived in Barner, and he used to Aund Barner basically, so he used to travel from Barner to Magarpatta and back, and that was, I mean, and he used to drop me off to college on the way. I don't know if you know AISSMS,
हाँ हाँ, I know that
विमानाचा
college.
कॉलेज, हाँ.
हाँ माहिती माहिती,
बड़ा सा प्लेन है वो,
बड़ा सा प्लेन है,
आरटीओ,
हाँ
हाँ, आरटीओ पाशी विमान वाला कॉलेज.
I know.
So that, but his commute was like, yeah, freaking an hour and 30 minutes, hour and 40 minutes, कुछ तो crazy था.
Easily 2 hours right now.
Easy. अभी तो
हाँ,
Pune, that's, and like I remember, because again, I saw from the time that I remember Pune, that was like early 2000s, और I was in Aund Barner का जो area है, उसमें ही I
हाँ,
was born and raised वहीं पे, and तभी आउटस्कर्ट्स लगता था वो पुणे का, like बाणेर गांव था पहले, तो बाणेर में कुछ था
हाँ,
नहीं. आउंद वाज लाइक एकदम, मतलब छोटा सा एक, यहाँ पे एक यहाँ पे किसी ने तो बोला कि मैं पुणे के डाउनटाउन में रहता हूँ, एंड आई वाज लाइक डाउनटाउन मतलब
डाउनटाउन,
इट्स लाइक डाउनटाउन पुणे, ओ पेट एरिया. अच्छा, तो
हाँ,
मैं उसको बोला कि अच्छा मैं आउंद
डाउनटाउन
में रहता हूँ,
पुणे, आउट में,
सबर्ब्स.
सबर्ब्स में रहता हूँ।
मैं सबर्ब्स सब पुणे में रहता हूँ, पर अभी
अभी
लगता नहीं है
काफी
मतलब पुणे.
चेंज हो गया, अभी बहुत,
हाँ.
बाणेर और वो एरिया काफी अच्छा
अरे
हो गया,
हाई
अभी
स्ट्रीट क्या हो
काफी
गया वो,
डेवलप, हाई स्ट्रीट बहुत सही हो गया।
हाँ.
हम्म,
एंड पहले आउंद बाणेर छोड़कर केपी जाते थे पार्टी करने.
अभी
अभी यू
ये
डोंट नीड.
छोड़कर लोग वहां पे जाते हैं। आई मीन
हाँ.
सीरियसली मैं भी जाता हूँ कभी कभी वहां पे, यहाँ से इतने दूर। तो इट्स गुड मैन, बहुत अच्छा हो गया, बालीवाड़ी वगैरह बहुत अच्छा हो गया अभी,
बालेवाड़ी हो गया. Yeah,
बालीवाड़ी
yeah.
हाई
So
स्ट्रीट हो गया।
we can talk about Pune forever. I mean,
इट्स नेवर
you,
एंडिंग टॉपिक।
yeah, you left, and you came to Iowa. What, again? Just take me through that thought process. I know your parents kind of told you some really good advice. I think without that, हम एक comfort zone में होते हैं, and at least for me, like a lot of times, unless something or someone kicks you, you don't
राइट,
move
यू
out
डोंट
of that
मूव,
comfort zone.
यू डोंट मूव आउट ऑफ दैट, राइट
So
राइट।
what, did something similar happen to you? How was that whole process of moving to the US?
Yeah, it was pretty similar. I mean, like I said, my parents motivated me, pushed me that do at least masters, PhD का बाद में देखेंगे, if you want to do it, or else
Mm-hmm.
it's up to you. Then at least you should have one post graduation. So yeah, then I started looking for opportunities. यहाँ पे भी देखी M.Tech करने की इंडिया में, लेकिन it's very competitive here. गेट के एग्जाम दो and whatnot. So I thought why not go abroad, exposure भी अच्छा मिलेगा, and it's better opportunities there, universities भी अच्छी है सब. So I started exploring, predominantly US ही देखा था because I had contacts there, बाकी जगह कोई था नहीं, इसलिए I mean there was no any प्लस पॉइंट, देयर वर प्लस पॉइंट्स, बट मुझे कोई बताने वाला था नहीं कि अरे
हम्म
यहाँ पे जर्मनी में जाओ, यहाँ जाओ, वहाँ जाओ। तो आई जस्ट लुक फॉर यूएस, रिसर्च like 99% about US. Then research some universities, so Iowa, Arizona State, and Michigan, Michigan Tech actually. Michigan State में तो मिला नहीं
ओह
था, admit.
या
या तो Michigan Tech से मिला था, but Iowa में research opportunity अच्छी थी, तो I
ओके
joined Iowa,
ओके
Iowa State.
मे
Yeah,
या Michigan Tech, amazing program. You said you're mechanical, right?
mechanical, yes.
Mechanical, yeah, I'm mechanical too. And
Right, nice.
मैं जब मैं जब देख रहा था, मैं भी सर्च कर रहा था, मिशिगन टेक का था कि मिशिगन टेक हैड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट engineering programs in the country, at least
Hmm.
that's what people are telling me. And मैं पूरा सेट था कि मैं मिशिगन टेक में जाऊंगा, एंड तभी तो मिशिगन के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था, लाइक वहाँ से आ रहे
हाँ,
थे, मुझे मिशिगन क्या है वो पता नहीं था, मुझे लेक्स पता था कि
हाँ,
लेक्स है, और देन एक स्टेट है मिशिगन, आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग, एंड देन तभी आई सॉ द मैप कि मिशिगन का मैप, दे से इट्स लाइक द मिटन, राइट, ऐसा इट्स द
हाँ,
मिटन,
हाँ।
और और एक हिस्सा है ऐसा ऊपर,
तो
वो
थोड़ा
कभी
सा
दिखता
ये,
नहीं।
हाँ,
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 एंड देन वो से अच्छा वहाँ मिशिगन टेक वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे कहीं तो भी,
हाँ,
बोला ठीक
एकदम
है, मतलब
बॉर्डर पे।
मिशिगन में ही है। हाँ, बट मुझे मिशिगन बोला
पता
तो
नहीं
मैं
था ना
बोला कि
तब,
ठीक,
राइट, 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 राइट,
हाँ,
हाँ,
मैं बोला मिशिगन में, सो मैं बोला ठीक है, लेट मी जस्ट, और तो मेरी मॉम यहाँ पे एक्चुअली ट्रांसफर हुई थी,
हाँ,
so we came with her. So, and she was in Ann Arbor. I don't know if you've heard of Ann Arbor,
I don't know,
the
yeah,
town, Ann Arbor, हाँ. So she was staying kind of close to that. तो मैंने मैप किया था कि यहाँ से यहाँ मिशिगन टेक तक मुझे लगा कि at the most 2 घंटे रहेंगे। अच्छा, 3 घंटे पकड़ लो। वे देखा कि 9 घंटे लगते हैं।
9 घंटे, 2 कोने
And
हैं
then these,
एक्चुअली, राइट,
हाँ,
हाँ,
exactly. It's a corner ऊपर है. And then people are like, oh, I mean, I was like, the winters are pretty bad in Michigan, right?
राइट,
And they were like, yeah, it's bad in Michigan. Michigan Tech is not typical Michigan though. Usme, if you are in Michigan Tech in the winters, you are like fridge mein ho aap, and
राइट,
everything is like blocked. You cannot
राइट,
leave.
इट्स लाइक
And
इट्स कनाडा ओनली, आई मीन बॉर्डर पे ही है,
हाँ, yeah, basically.
बेसिकली,
So that's the thing. Michigan Tech ka amazing program, but you need a certain kind of a person to be able to live there. Um,
राइट,
but I think Iowa, हाँ,
मुझे यही
sorry,
बोला था आयोवा के बारे में भी
हाँ,
कि बहुत ज्यादा बर्फ होती है एंड देयर इज नथिंग टू डू अराउंड देयर, बट द प्रोग्राम वाज प्रीटी गुड, द मास्टर्स
yeah,
प्रोग्राम और द रिसर्च फैसिलिटी इज प्रीटी गुड, सो
yeah.
सोचा चलो दे, आई हैड टू चॉइसेस, एरिजोना एक्सट्रीम हीट, आयोवा एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड, सो आई चोज कोल्ड।
वो रहता है ना एक कंधे पर द डेविल
हाँ,
एंड एक
राइट, राइट, बोले क्या करे, तो बोला, चलो आयोवा चूज कर लेते हैं,
कोल्ड,
रिसर्च अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है तो,
हाँ,
राइट,
interesting. Um, and before coming here, you said you had some friends here, so you had some um you were getting some kind of guidance, but
राइट,
ऐसा
यस,
ऐसा हुआ कि like you had some expectations of what your life and academic life and social life will be in the US, and when you came here you felt like things are quite different.
yes, yes, actually, it was a, I mean, everybody who moves abroad gets a culture shock. It was like exactly like that कि सोचा था कि uh, life would be pretty good, like आसान होगी, it would be education भी, we have in India it's very competitive, right? So I
Yeah,
thought exactly वैसे ही होगा, एग्जाम्स वगैरह भी वैसे ही होगी, but it is completely different there. You have to work every day, like जो थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट होने में टाइम तो लगा था, एक couple of months to adjust to that structure, यूनिवर्सिटी, जो भी उनका करिकुलम है वो सब चीज़ें करने में, बट आफ्टर दैट इट वाज प्रीटी डिसेंट, आई मीन वेरी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल ओरिएंटेड, जो भी सिखाते हैं, whatever opportunities you get to apply that, you get to have hands-on experience, and all the professors encourage that, so it's pretty good, efforts के marks मिलते हैं, I mean they appreciate efforts, if you do not get to an answer, at least you tried it, or at least your approach was good, approach was right. So they recognize that as well. So everything,
Really? Okay.
बस yes no question नहीं है कि अपने आप पे कैसे आंसर आया नहीं आया तो 0
Ah,
marks, no, not like that, right?
steps के mark
So
मिलते basically.
I mean, yeah, it should be like that, right? I mean, if you
Yeah, approach. Yeah,
fail
yeah,
at the end, doesn't mean that you didn't do anything, right? So
yeah.
the professors were really good, and काफी अच्छी research facility भी है. I did a research assistantship over there as well. So 2-2.5 साल research किया था. So it was pretty good experience in a lab environment. But again, COVID था तो थोड़ा सा
Ah,
so I went there in 2019, and 2020 and 2021 was peak COVID times,
COVID.
right? So all our lectures were online, but fortunately I got to do like research work because everybody got online, and that's why we had some time to be in the lab by ourselves, like couple of people. So it was pretty good. I mean, chaos कम हो गया था थोड़ा सा. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगा कि कोड हुआ अच्छा हो, but I mean, it was good for our lab because secluded थी.
हाँ,
So we got to do some productive work in that time.
nice. क्या था? What was your graduate thesis in?
Research
Or your
thesis था
studies,
मेरा
research in? Yeah.
रिसर्च मेरा एक्सपेरिमेंटल मैकेनिक्स में था. सो
Okay.
एंड थीसिस टॉपिक था पाइपलाइन मटेरियल डिग्रेडेशन. So if you have a mechanical damage to any pipeline, so how it affects the corrosion and the life of the pipeline. So basically it was for oil and gas pipelines, जो underground pipelines होती
Okay.
है और
Okay.
subsea pipelines होती है उनके लिए.
Okay. Okay. Um, and I, I know stories, family में cousins जो यहाँ पे आए थे, and they faced a lot of issues due to their faculty, due to the researcher who they were working with. काफी
Right.
not only academically but also from like a visa standpoint, or वो सब standpoint. So how was that part of your life here? Did you have a good professor that you were working with? Were
Yeah.
they supportive?
My professor was really supportive. I mean,
Yeah.
regarding all these visa and all this stuff, he was really supportive. But academically, he was pretty demanding. I mean, बहुत ऐसे हमारे यहाँ पे टीचर्स रहते हैं ना कि ये यहाँ पे होना ही चाहिए ऐसे, तो वैसे था प्रोफेसर. But that actually helps to do your work, right? So academically, he was pretty strict, but visa और ये stuff के लिए he was pretty decent about it. I mean, whatever you need, I will give it to you. ऐसा था. So
Okay.
there's one thing, right? Once you complete your graduation, you are on OPT for 1 year and
Yeah.
STEM extension for 2 years. So he was also ready to take me as a research assistant after completion of my graduation, if I don't get a job. So he was pretty open about it as well. So if you need to work an extra 1 year till you search for a job, you can just continue working that. So he was pretty open about that as well. So he knew all the process, all the how the visa worked and whatnot. So he kind of supported a lot in that.
That's huge to have that, because yeah, again, in a new country, new surroundings, new process, all the processes around you are different.
Right.
Have
So,
someone guiding you. Was there other people guiding you, or was
yeah. There were
Yeah.
other professors as well,
Okay.
professors, students as well, seniors. So बहुत सारे PhD seniors they helped a lot. I mean, to get a research assistantship in the first place, they suggested ये professor है यहाँ पे है, इनके साथ
अच्छा.
बात करो वगैरह. So it also helped me a lot.
Okay.
So I contacted them through LinkedIn, Facebook, whatnot कि चलो आईओ स्टेट में
Yeah.
कौन कौन पढ़ रहा है देख लेते हैं. And
काफी
before
देसी है क्या
before
इसमें आयोवा स्टेट में?
नहीं
या
ज्यादा लोग नहीं है,
नहीं?
ज्यादा इंडियंस नहीं है,
Okay.
नहीं है वैसे बहुत सारे हैं, बट
हाँ.
नॉट लाइक मिशिगन टेक और जैसे
Sure,
टेक्सास में
sure,
होते हैं,
sure.
राइट? टेक्सास
हाँ,
टेक
हाँ, हाँ.
यूनिवर्सिटी और
Of
नहीं,
course.
नॉट लाइक दैट. काफी अमेरिकन्स, आई मीन काफी, इट्स वेल डाइवर्सिफाइड, आई मीन ज्यादा
Okay.
इंडियंस ऐसे है वैसे नहीं है।
Okay.
और ये ज्यादा इंडियंस तो बस वही टाउन में है, आयोवा स्टेट जहाँ पे है यूनिवर्सिटी, वहाँ पे आयो
एम्स ना?
वो एम्स, राइट, एम्स,
एम्स में, yeah.
एम्स में तो उसके बाहर तो बहुत कम है। आई मीन आई वर्कड इन आयोवा इटसेल्फ फॉर 3 years आफ्टर मास्टर्स,
Okay.
एंड द टाउन आई लिव्ड इन वाज बर्लिंगटन आयोवा, इट्स बॉर्डर पे है, इलिनॉय और मिसिसिपी रिवर पे ही है वो टाउन। तो
अच्छा.
वहाँ पे तो बहुत कम इंडियंस थे, बहुत कम, आई मीन like
Wow.
10 odd families, just 10 families, 10
Yeah.
Indian families, that's it.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, I want to get to that. But before that, like, were there, and I like to ask this question because big ticket items to hum kar lete, like come to the US, start working or
Mm,
start your research. There are a lot of like things you have to check off. ये किया, ये किया, ये किया, ये किया. The big items you take care of, but day to day के जो छोटे छोटे shocks जो हमको बैठते हैं, as you go, say, damn, I didn't know this, I didn't know that. I've given this example in another episode, but आई डेंट नो कि दही को यहाँ पे योगर्ट बुलाते हैं. मैं उसको इंडिया में हम
right,
कर्ड बोलते हैं, लाइक आई यूज्ड टू
right,
कॉल इट कर्ड.
right.
यहाँ पे योगर्ट बुलाते हैं. टैप को फॉसेट बोलते हैं.
कैप्सिकम को ग्रीन पेपर बोलते हैं।
कैप्सिकम को ग्रीन पेपर. लेडी फिंगर्स को ओकरा.
ओकरा,
So I like these
राइट।
things. I kind of had to learn. Also, like, I was really. So I came when I was 18. So that it's a very impressionable age, and मैं आया था like with open mind कि अब मुझे completely adapt होना है इस जगह में. And I remember I used to drop my sister off to the bus, क्योंकि she used to go, छोटी बहन है मेरी, so she used to go to school. तो मैं उसको ड्रॉप करने जाता था बस स्टॉप में, और जो दरवाज़ा खुलता था, द बस ड्राइवर हमेशा मुझे, शी यूज्ड टू से गुड मॉर्निंग. एंड लाइक मुझे लाइक आदत नहीं थी, लाइक बस ड्राइवर पुणे में कौन,
राइट,
मतलब गुड
कौन
मॉर्निंग.
बोलता काफी वियर्ड लगेगा पुणे में, तो
वियर्ड लगेगा,
कोई बस
देखेगा कि क्या बोल रहा है.
क्या बोल रहा है भाई.
एंड शी यूज्ड टू विश मी गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवेयर. तो आई वाज लाइक ओके गुड मॉर्निंग. और मैं फिर उसके बाद सब जगह गया, आई यूज्ड टू विश एवरीबॉडी गुड मॉर्निंग. फिर मैं पुणे आया. पुणे में रिक्शा वाला काका को मैं बोला गुड मॉर्निंग,
गुड
हेलो,
मॉर्निंग,
थैंक यू. हाँ, और वो मुझे देख रहे हैं ऐसे कि ये
कि
कहाँ से
कहाँ से
आया
आया भाई.
है. So like that's just an example of these small things. So did
राइट,
you
राइट.
have any such moments?
ऑल दैट यू एक्सप्लेन एग्जैक्टली वही हुआ है. वैसे ही हुआ है कि अरे और बहुत ज्यादा, इफ यू गो टू अ रेस्टोरेंट, द वेटर्स और वेटर्स देयर, दे आर सो पोलाइट, व्हाट डू यू वांट, एंड दैट वाज अ कल्चर शॉक एज वेल. आई मीन यहाँ पे तो क्या चाहिए बताओ, ऐसे ऐसे, आई मीन दे आर
हाँ,
नॉट दैट पोलाइट, राइट, बट
yeah.
वाह, यूएस में तो काफी पोलाइट. सो दैट वाज अगेन, आई मीन ये इतना अच्छे से क्यों बात कर रहे हैं मेरे से, ऐसे लगता था. What do they want, right?
What is
So
the what? Yeah.
right. So it's good. I mean, and आयोवा में तो काफी सारे अच्छे लोग हैं, आई मीन अमेरिकन सी. तो देसी पॉपुलेशन तो कम है काफी, इसलिए अमेरिकन, when you're driving or whatnot, everybody used to wave their hand in my town. I mean, even if you don't know them, just hi, hello,
Just,
like ड्राइविंग कर रहे हैं, हाय करके जाएंगे यार.
हाँ,
It's pretty good, man. It feels good when you're
yeah.
going to work and like couple of people say hi to you with a smile. I mean, it feels good.
आज ही मैंने जो गार्बेज ट्रक आता है, ट्रैश पिकअप
Hmm.
ट्रक, उसको मैंने हाय बोला आज. आई डोंट नो, लाइक
Uh,
अच्छा लगता है.
अच्छा लगा.
रैंडमली.
I mean, यहाँ पे हम लोग करते नहीं है वैसा वो, but when you go there, I mean, it feels good.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think I actually often think of that कि क्यों नहीं करते, क्योंकि I think जब अभी लाइक पुणे मुंबई बहुत बड़े शहर हैं. आई एम श्योर अगर गाँव में जाओ आप, कोई भी
गाँव में
गाँव में
अभी भी
जाओ,
करते
गाँव
हैं.
में अभी भी होता है. आई कैन
यस, होता
गारंटी
है.
इट.
I mean, I've lived in गांव, तो वहाँ
हाँ
पे काफी ये होता ही है. I mean, you can
हाँ
just go randomly to a person's house, sit there for a couple of hours. It's pretty normal. But yes, Pune, Mumbai में life is so
हाँ
fast here. Nobody has time.
no one has time, yeah. तो वही that's why I don't think it's a difference of क्यों अमेरिका में ऐसा है, इंडिया में
Right,
ऐसा है. I
right,
think
right.
it's a difference की population size में
Population.
शायद.
Right. And if you go to like big city, New York, Chicago, वहाँ पे ऐसा कोई नहीं
हाँ
करता.
no one does
Right.
it, so yeah वो एक
Same thing.
I think we've cracked it.
Right.
It is a
न्यूयॉर्क में तो कोई
population.
देखता भी नहीं है. न्यूयॉर्क में तो क्या.
नहीं
Right. So it's the same thing. It's a
yeah.
function of population, it seems. Yeah.
You know, you said that there weren't a lot of Indians in Iowa. Do you
Right.
think while you were adapting, do you think that helped you kind of adapt quicker?
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. That helped me adapt quicker. While in the university, we were still in that bubble, right? In that comfort zone.
Yeah.
Many
Yeah.
Indians, many friends. No, it's like we had responsibilities, but just like do exam, do research. That's it. Nothing else. But when I moved out of that university, there was no one to help me, no one to guide me. I mean, all I was by myself, pretty much. Very few Indians. Uh, so yes, again, I had to. In my company, I was the only Indian.
Okay.
So at that time, so after a couple of years, few people joined, but at that time, I was the only one, only Desi. All of them were Americans basically. So
Yeah.
it helped me to adapt quicker. So they were pretty good people. Invited me to their houses and
Oh,
all of the
nice.
stuff, their festivals, their parties, and so it was pretty good just to get into their culture.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah,
Yeah.
and
You know,
figuring out on your own is pretty interesting as well, challenging, but it helps you a lot in the long run.
yeah. Yeah. No, definitely. With me as well, तो मैं मिशिगन स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी में गया हूँ. वहाँ से
हाँ, मिशिगन
ग्रेजुएशन
स्टेट.
किया है मैंने.
आई हैड अप्लाइड देयर, लेकिन मिला नहीं मुझे मिशिगन
या
स्टेट.
मुझे सिर्फ मिशिगन स्टेट में मिला, बाकी कहीं मिला नहीं.
मुझे मिशिगन स्टेट जाना था एक्चुअली. माय फर्स्ट कपल ऑफ
Seriously.
चॉइसेस वेयर मिशिगन स्टेट. अच्छा लगा था मुझे.
Yeah.
प्रोग्राम अच्छा था मैकेनिकल का, इसलिए. सो
Yeah, प्रोग्राम अच्छा है. I think I think Michigan Tech का they say program is slightly better.
बेटर.
It's more
अच्छा.
like hardcore. At least this is back then,
Right.
it was more focused. UMich के fees देखकर I was like,
हाँ, फीस.
let Michigan
हाँ.
State ही अच्छा है. But I had done an internship, and this internship was, so ये भी एकदम तुक्के से लग गया, because एक class था हमारा where to go and like walk through a manufacturing facility.
Hmm.
तो यहाँ पे there's a small town called Eaton Rapids. वहाँ पे एक Subway है, एक Chinese restaurant है और एक McDonald's है.
Nice.
बाकी कुछ नहीं. कुछ नहीं, और एक नदी है. So बहुत cute सा town है. Population बहुत कम है, but there was a factory, and so we went and we were just walking through the factory, and then जो हमको टूर दे रहा था उसको मैंने जस्ट पूछा, मुझे तो कोई इंटर्नशिप मिल रहे नहीं थे करियर पे, मैं जा के मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि कैन आई गेट, दे लाइक ओ यू नीड एक्सपीरियंस टू गेट. आई मीन लाइक एक्सपीरियंस के लिए ही इंटर्नशिप चाहिए. एंड देन तो मैंने उसको जस्ट पूछा कि कैन आई कम एंड इंटर्न एट योर कंपनी, एंड they said internship तो है नहीं हमारा प्रोग्राम, छोटा सा एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी, बट ठीक है, you can come, we'll figure out कुछ तो. And that 3 months of that internship in Eaton Rapids, where I mean I was the only Indian, I was the only minority, so there was like literally no one else, right? It was just me.
Right.
I never felt that because everybody was so inclusive. Like they didn't, I guess they didn't like, because वो एक रहता है ना, प्री कंसीव नोशंस रहते हैं, एक ये रहता है कि अच्छा यहाँ पे लोग अलग रहेंगे, they'll judge me, they'll ये करेंगे वो करेंगे.
हाँ,
Never once did I feel that.
सेम सेम एग्जैक्ट सेम एक्सपीरियंस। जैसे मैंने कहा कि they usually invited me to everything. I mean, they were pretty supportive. जो भी हो हेल्प करने, सामान मूव करने के लिए भी आ जाते थे, तो
Wow.
very good experience. And one of my office colleagues, so he basically, like, we used to do a lot of stuff together. So उसके पास dirt bike करता था वो. So I
Oh,
started doing
nice.
that as well in Iowa. So it was pretty good
Oh, sick.
experience. हाँ, तो उसके पास ही 2 डर्ट बाइक्स थी, तो वो उसने एक मुझे दे दी थी। आई मीन दे देता था हमेशा, तो हम लोग वो करते थे वीकेंड्स पे, व्हेन इट इन समर्स, एक्चुअली समर्स लाइक बिफोर स्नो,
हाँ.
तो वही वही चीज़ें करते थे। तो इट वाज़ प्रीटी गुड एक्सपीरियंस। आई मिस दैट
Yeah.
अ लॉट राइट नाउ।
Yeah.
सो बहुत अच्छा था वो। हाँ।
Um, so how did you get this job from out of college?
Uh,
Was it
just apply online, apply on LinkedIn. So करियर फेयर में तो कुछ मिला नहीं था एक्चुअली, ऑनेस्टली।
uh,
बहुत सारी कंपनीज थे, लेकिन अगेन मास्टर्स, लाइक इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट वीजा स्टफ, so whatever companies came there in the career fair, they were mostly recruiting citizens and those who have green
yeah.
card or whatnot. So it was pretty difficult to get a job from career fair. We got a lot of contacts. I just got one interview out of 3 career fairs. So it was pretty difficult,
It's
but
rough. Yeah.
yeah, it's rough. But yeah, I applied on LinkedIn, Indeed, and whatnot. Just so I mean, it job hunting process itself is pretty challenging. I applied to startups as well. Like, there's one website named Crunchbase, so you have a list of
Crunchbase. Yeah.
startups, Angel List, and whatnot. I applied through that. I mean, I used to find names of startups and then go to their website,
Wow.
message the CEO or whatnot. So I got pretty decent interviews and offers by doing that. But again, it was by myself, no career fair. Just apply on LinkedIn, apply online.
It,
So that's pretty it.
it's stressful.
Yes.
How did you manage the stress, I guess, of that time? Because like, did you have someone at home kind of that who were you were talking to us like अच्छा ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है, I'm applying, पता नहीं मिलेगा या नहीं. एक,
Usually my friends and
okay.
my mom, dad. सो मोस्टली फ्रेंड्स ही बात करता था, क्योंकि मॉम डैड भी टेंशन ले लेते फिर कि अरे
Uh,
नहीं हो रहा। और मतलब बहुत एप्लीकेशंस किए एक्चुअली। आई यूज्ड टू हैव अ ट्रैकर फॉर वेयर आई हैव अप्लाइड एंड व्हाट्स द स्टेटस। सो आफ्टर लाइक 200-300 एप्लीकेशंस आई स्टॉप ट्रैकिंग। लाइक नहीं, और कितना ट्रैक करें
200,
भाई।
300 applications.
Applications, yeah. I used to, like, I still have that Excel sheet right now. I mean, itna applications kiye, lekin no
Damn.
response. So there's a time, right? I mean, I started applying from January, just random, January 2021. Yes. And then till May, June, I did not get a single call. And after June, suddenly in a week, I got 3 calls. And then in July, I got like another 3-4 calls. So that was
Hmm.
pretty exponential number of calls in couple of months. So then it was pretty smooth. I got like 3-4 offers, and then I chose one out of them. But first 6-7 months was pretty
Radio
difficult.
silence was, oh,
Right. And I had to complete my thesis as well. And I used to leave my house at 8-9 in the morning and come back around 10:30, 11. द लास्ट बस जो होती है ना यूनिवर्सिटी से घर तक, वो
हाँ
भी
हाँ,
पकड़ता था मैं। लास्ट बस से आता था घर। तो ऐसे भी
बाप
होता
रे.
था बहुत बार। सो मेरे रूममेट्स और मेरे दोस्त भी थे वहाँ पे। दे वर आल्सो प्रीटी गुड, वी यूज्ड टू डू फन स्टफ। सो वही एक था स्ट्रेस रिलीव करने का
टाइम मिलता था
कि
फन
वहाँ पे
स्टफ करने को, मतलब
आई
you
जस्ट
were gone
वीकेंड,
from 8 till 10.
जस्ट वीकेंड,
Yeah.
और इवन वीकेंड को भी जाता था मैं कॉलेज। तो वही बस वीकेंड का टाइम है। बाकी तो वीकडेज पे तो बहुत ज्यादा काम रहता था।
I like how casually you're just saying it. Yeah, करता था मैं 8 बजे से 10 बजे तक.
हाँ अब
वीकेंड को भी कॉलेज, like that like when you, I'm sure, like when you step back and when you look back at that time, you're like, बाप रे.
It was pretty rough. It was pretty rough. I mean,
Yeah.
पहले तो so I did not have an assistantship for a month or two when I first started masters. So तब तो
Mm-hmm.
हम part time job करते हैं, right? So I used to work in dining, universities dining for 2 months. So तब
Okay.
इतना stressful था नहीं actually. I used to go to part time work and come back
Mm.
and chill out, just course work study करना है. But when I
Mm.
got assistantship, the work got like 2, 3, 4 times.
Yeah.
रिसर्च का भी काम करना है. टीचिंग, आई वाज अ टीचिंग असिस्टेंट एज वेल एज रिसर्च असिस्टेंट, सो हाफ टीए
Oh,
एंड हाफ
okay.
आरए. सो उसमें बहुत बहुत काम रहता था, तो तब
अच्छा.
बहुत ज्यादा काम बढ़ गया.
दो अलग काम थे
हाँ.
or is it the same
दो
like
अलग नहीं, दो
part
अलग
of the
काम
role?
थे.
अलग काम.
दो
Okay.
अलग काम थे. राइट राइट.
Why did
सो यू
you
कैन
choose that?
so for the first 3, 4 months, I did not get a research assistantship, but it was just a teaching assistantship.
Okay.
So वो तो I just applied to my department and they had a position open. So उसका एक interview लिया था हमारे director ने, तो वो हो गया. So the benefit of that assistantship is you don't have to pay. I mean, you have to pay minimal fees, right? And you get a stipend per month for that.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a big advantage. I mean, you don't have to spend anything on your education. So
Yeah.
that was the biggest motivation to apply for an assistantship. After that, I got a research one as well. So it depends on the professor to keep you on a full-time research assistant position or give you a half TA and half RA position. So the professor was you work half, like 10 hours for research assistantship and 10 hours for teaching assistantship. So
Teaching.
it's his, yeah,
Okay.
it's his decision. Right.
Well, so life probably settled down once you moved and you got a job, moved
Right.
to what was it? What was the other city?
Bollington.
Burlington. Burlington.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Um, you're in Pune now, so
Yes.
naturally you came back at some point.
Yeah.
Uska story क्या है?
So, so as I said, when you graduate, you get a 3 years visa, right? 1 year
Yeah.
of OPT and 2 years of STEM extension OPT.
Yeah.
So, and in that time, the company applies for a H1B visa lottery.
Yeah.
So, in the 3 consecutive applications, my name did not get picked up in the lottery.
The lottery.
So my
Okay.
right. So my visa OPT got expired, and then naturally I had to come back. So that
Okay.
was pretty, I mean, straightforward. I did not do any other stuff. I mean, people try to do second masters for one more chance, or
MBA or PhD
MBA
कर
or
लेते हैं, yeah.
PhD कर लेते हैं. So like it's again based on luck. So even if
Yeah.
I do a PhD again, it would be a luck factor. So why not just go back? I have a good amount of experience in the US, and कोई अच्छी कंपनी तो मिल ही जाएगी यहाँ पे. तो
Mm-hmm.
yes, I came back in September last year.
Okay.
सितंबर में आया लास्ट ईयर. तो आई टुक अ ब्रेक ऑफ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स. सोचा आराम से घूम लेता हूँ दोस्तों के साथ, फैमिली के साथ. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड अगेन अप्लाइंग इन February. सो आई गॉट अ जॉब इन अप्रैल. तो
Okay.
तब से
Nice.
ये कंपनी में. yeah.
Oh, nice. तो जो डिसीजन था वापस आने का, आई एम श्योर इट वाज अ बिग डिसीजन. डिड यू स्पीक टू पेरेंट्स? आई गेस या वो पेरेंट्स का क्या मानना था इसमें,
पेरेंट्स का,
दिस डिसीजन यू टेक?
they were in any amount or in any decision they were pretty supportive. I mean, पहले 2 chances में ही जब H1B नहीं हुआ था, तो they were, तब से ही वो बोल रहे थे कि अरे you have studied there, you will work
Yeah.
there for 3 years. कोई बात नहीं हुआ तो वापस आ जाना, यहाँ पे तो अच्छा जॉब मिल ही जाएगा. So they were like constantly, so just motivating me, ताकि यार मैं डिप्रेस ना हो जाऊँ वहाँ पे कि अरे यार बाकी लोगों का हो रहा है. It's like I've worked so hard and everything is up to luck. So
Yeah.
yeah, so they were pretty much supporting from the start itself. So जब तीसरी बार भी नहीं हुआ था, तो they were like, it's okay, you can come back, you will get a good job here. So parents
Yeah.
were always like बैकबोन, सब हमेशा पीछे
Yeah.
रहते थे कि जो भी हो जाए अच्छा ही होगा, आ जाए वापस, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
Yeah, and you said the right thing क्योंकि it's literally lottery system है तो completely
हाँ,
luck पर है.
लक पर है,
ऐसा
राइट,
I think a lot of people can feel like it's like a failure of some sort
राइट,
when in reality it really isn't.
राइट।
Yeah.
एंड इट्स सो जब आसपास के लोगों का हो जाता है, योर
Hmm.
फ्रेंड्स गेट इट एंड इट्स, तो आपको लगता है कि यार सबका हो रहा है, मेरा क्यों नहीं हो रहा, सबका हो रहा है, मेरा क्यों नहीं हो रहा,
वो
राइट,
एक डायलॉग है ना
हाँ,
थ्री इडियट्स का जब जब
जब
फ्रेंड फेल हो जाए तो बुरा लगता है,
हाँ
जब वही
फ्रेंड
फ्रेंड
फर्स्ट
फर्स्ट
आता
आ
है
जाए तो और भी बुरा
तो और भी
लगता
ज्यादा बुरा लगता है।
है.
हाँ वो तो है, आई मीन आई वॉज हैप्पी फॉर देम, बट अपने लिए लगता है कि अरे यार
I know.
मेरा भी हो रहा तो इट वुड हैव बीन अ बेटर थिंग, बट
Yeah.
अगेन अभी वापस आया हो तो बहुत अच्छा ही चल रहा है कंपनी, वट द कंपनी आई एम
Oh,
वर्किंग विद इज रियली गुड कंपनी राइट नाउ,
okay.
so
Nice.
it's
And
again
you're
in
like,
mechanical, huh?
okay. Yeah. And your experience must have helped get you a better
Right, yes,
package.
yes,
And
a better, yeah, a better package as well as better responsibilities in the current job as well.
hmm.
So it's a US based company, so
Or they know that
because
you
of,
have already
yeah, yeah,
worked
yeah.
and you know there's I think another thing is really important is that यहाँ के मेरा तो हुआ है definitely,
Hmm.
but I feel like my soft skills have improved.
Yes.
um I felt like इंडिया में रहकर also मैं छोटा था तभी, मैं छोटा नहीं 18 साल का था पर फिर भी like दिमाग छोटा था मेरा. felt like मेरा communication skill बहुत खराब था. यहाँ आके
Hmm.
I've noticed not just like the language or anything, but like the confidence with which you can speak and you can command a meeting or
Right.
relay your ideas to another person. I think that changes for the better.
राइट, राइट, एग्जैक्टली, तो वहाँ जाके एग्जैक्टली वही हुआ है कि कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है, सो एज आई सेड कि एंड वन गुड थिंग अबाउट वर्किंग ओवर देयर इज they give you responsibilities irrespective of your experience. I mean, even if
Mm.
you're a fresh graduate, so I had a 3 years of experience, but still I was the youngest in the company. So in spite of that, मुझे प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर की पोजीशन उन्होंने दे दी थी कि यू लीड दिस प्रोजेक्ट, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस, वी आर ऑल देयर टू हेल्प यू, even if anything goes bad, we are just here to help you resolve the issue, just lead it and then let's see what happens. So it was pretty good experience. I mean, I had like lots of questions from day one itself, but everyone was there to help me. So
Yeah.
it's pretty good that they trust you, that you will do something good of your education or of your experience, and you will apply it in a good manner here. So it's pretty decent that
Yeah.
they give you the opportunity, they empower you to act in any situation, and then they are always there to help you. So
Yeah.
it's the difference there. I mean, once you go there, you gain
Did you find
confidence
any
and
other differences in the work culture
you have
between
flexibility.
India and
Yeah, you have
yeah.
a lot of flexibility. I mean, you do have flexibility here in a multinational company, but
Yeah.
the work-life balance is pretty good over there. I mean, they respect your personal space. If you want to do anything, if you don't want to do anything, they are also, I mean, pretty open about it. If you don't like to do a certain part of your job, they are like, okay, we'll just change it or we'll make it better. So they're open to feedback a lot of things. So culture wise, work life balance was the one thing which was pretty decent over there. I mean,
Yeah.
and I used to get Fridays off as well, every alternate Friday. So it
Oh
was
wow.
off. It was good uh, company culture. So long weekend
Nice.
every other Friday. Yeah.
That's fun. That's fun. हाँ, यहाँ पे लोग काम करने 8 बजे 7:30 बजे आ जाते हैं और 3-4
Oh
बजे तक सब निकल जाते हैं.
yeah.
It is. I
It's
still am not used to that, but
मैं 7 बजे आता था मेरे ऑफिस, एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी सबसे लेट, मैं आता था, मैं 7 बजे आता था ऑफिस.
crazy.
Crazy, man. I mean, my manager used to come at 6, even 5:30.
और वैसे प्राइड से बोलते थे कि मैं
हाँ,
सुबह 6 बजे आया बिकॉज आई गॉट द बेस्ट पार्किंग स्पॉट. वो
right.
पार्किंग को लेकर आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई दैट्स ऑलवेज बीन अ डिस्कशन एनी कंपनी आई वर्कड विद इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक ओ आई had to come early today. I got the best parking spot over there. And
Parking
I'm like,
spot.
good for you. Good for मुझे सोना है
Right,
भाई.
right, right.
मुझे सोने दो प्लीज. सुबह सुबह
Right.
7:30 मीटिंग मत रखो प्लीज.
Every day there was a meeting. Yes, 7 बजे
या
हर
7
रोज.
बजे.
So I mean आना ही पड़ता था वहाँ पे. तो
हाँ, कोई चारा नहीं
7 बजे.
है.
Right, right, right.
um,
It's pretty. I
yeah,
mean, experience is good, man. So
yeah. So, I mean, you're a very interesting story because you've kind of gone through the whole cycle of, coming to the
yes.
US, doing an amazing research role, landing a job,
Mhm.
working for a long time, just enjoying yourself, and then, you know, coming back.
Coming back.
Um,
Yeah.
so I know there are a lot of people probably right now in some at some point in this
At some
timeline
point.
similar to yours. So I
Mm.
just want to ask you, agar, if you wanted to give them one piece of advice, what would that
Mm.
be? And it can be as big as small. It can be as surface level. It can be or it can be very deep. It's kind of I'm keeping this open ended for you
Right.
to.
Right. See, I mean, the biggest advice I can give is just keep working, keep giving your 100% every time you get any opportunity. Be open to all the opportunities you get. I mean, I'll explain this with an example. So the assistantship I got was just because I used to talk with our director of graduate education
Hmm.
every Wednesday. I mean, I used to go. Every professor has office hours, right? So I used to meet him during his office hours every Wednesday, and I used to say, like, "Is there any opportunity? I can do this. I can do that. I can do thermodynamics well. I can do strength of materials really well." So I used to say, like, "These are my capabilities. If there is any position, just let me know. Just let me know." So like within a couple of months, he was like, "Hey, Kaustubh, I have a open position, and are you interested?" I'm like, "Yes, I'm interested." So again, networking is the biggest
Hmm.
thing I would like to say. I mean, to anyone out there, just talk to people. Uh, in India, we are like not used to networking that much because we have campus placements. Company आती है, place करके चली जाती है, and then but again over there in the US, I mean networking on all over the world probably, but मैं यूएस में जाके आया हूँ इसलिए यूएस में ही
Hmm.
बोलूंगा.
Hmm. Hmm.
So networking is a pretty good deal. Just talk to people, talk to random people, even if you know that इनसे मुझे कुछ काम नहीं होगा आगे, but just you never know that who they might know and how they might help.
Yeah, and
So it's
tell me if you agree with this. I think also just along the same lines, um, I think it's important not to be afraid to be shameless about marketing yourself and selling
right.
yourself, because I think a lot of Indians, and मेरे साथ हुआ था also कि we come and we are a little reserved.
Mm,
Americans, like local Americans, they are kind of like they'll go for what they want and they'll make sure they'll wait. Hey, there's that
right.
confidence of like मुझे like this is I deserve this.
Mm,
Like वही attitude रहता है कि I'm here, I've paid money, I deserve this. You see this in restaurants also. Order गलत आया and they're like, can I speak to your manager? I need to
right.
ये.
ये
And
चाहिए,
I
हाँ.
think Indians India में वैसा रहता है. Like we are
हाँ.
quite. But I think because इतना hierarchy रहता है सब जगह, starting from school to college, senior, junior, coming to work, sir, ma'am, you know,
Mm,
uh, you're like, you're a fresher, you're new.
right.
This person's your sir. So there is that hierarchy. We are kind of it's inculcated in us, so that when we come here, we're like, no, let's just be quiet. You're not going to.
create a fuss. But I think, like you said, just putting yourself out there and being like, ये जो opportunity है, I need this opportunity, I want this opportunity, I think I deserve this opportunity. And
Right.
I don't know if you agree with this type of mindset.
I completely agree with this. Yes, you have to grab that opportunity. Whether you know 100% of it, I mean, it doesn't matter. Even if you know like 50% of it, you can learn as you go. I mean,
Hmm.
ऐसा हमारे साथ होता है काफ़ी, जैसे आपने बोला कि हम लोग शाय रहते हैं, हेजिटेंट रहते हैं, तो वो एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैं भी था पहले। आई मीन आई
Hmm.
यूज्ड आई मीन क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछता था, कुछ भी
Hmm.
ऐसे जो दिया है वही करो, एज़ इन। बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग देयर लाइक इन कपल ऑफ मंथ्स, कपल ऑफ इयर्स, अभी आई मीन एवरी एवरी टाइम आई हैव अ डाउट, आई जस्ट रेज़ हैंड, क्या है भाई बता दो, आई डिड नॉट
Hmm.
अंडरस्टैंड दिस। और
Yeah,
कितना भी सिली क्वेश्चन हो, एंड नो क्वेश्चन इज सिली एज दे
yeah,
से, राइट?
that's a good
So
point.
even in any acronym, whatnot, like, just raise and ask questions.
Yeah.
And if you ask questions, then you're paying attention. And if you're paying attention, you get most of it, what the presenter is
Yes.
presenting, right? So,
That's
ऐसा
a
ही है.
good point. Yeah,
Right.
यहाँ पे I remember that acronym का thing just reminded me कि एक बार my chief engineer in a big meeting asked like a question about some acronym that everybody knew,
Hmm.
and he was a chief engineer, and
Right.
he didn't hesitate. He's like, "What is that? Oh, that's this. Okay, good. Continue."
Yeah,
And
exactly.
that was like, there's kind of a learning experience for me. It's like, don't be, yeah, as you said, don't be scared to just ask if you don't know something.
Right.
Yeah. Uh, I ask this question to everybody who comes on this podcast. As I said, you kind of have done the full circle of
Cycle.
life,
Hmm.
I guess, circle of life abroad.
Circle of
Hopefully,
abroad, yeah.
I don't know what your future goals are, but
Hmm.
this question is, and also because even though you've kind of come back home, you're not really, you're not in Sangli,
Right.
you're living in Pune, so you're kind of still away from home. So I guess for you, how has that concept of home changed? If it has changed at all?
Yeah. So it's pretty interesting question actually. uh, so when I was here, like, I mean, when I was doing engineering, by default, Sangli was the home, right? But over the period of time, I have a couple of friends. I mean, really good friends. So the concept of home, like a place started to feel like home was with them when I lived in Pune with them. It was uh, it was a second home for me, apart from Sangli. So that was it. I mean, whenever we are together, it feels home. Wherever we are right now. So there was a point when we are four good friends. There was a point where everybody was in different continent. So
Continent direct.
continent, not even country, continent.
Baap re.
So again, whenever we used to talk, it felt like home. So
Yeah.
it's not the place, it's the people actually. So I don't have any place in mind for my home, but it's just the people. Whenever I'm
Yeah.
with them, it feels like home.
So अभी कहाँ है वो सब?
अभी अभी एक तो जर्मनी में है,
अच्छा.
one is in the process to move in Africa, and अभी मैं तो इंडिया में हूँ और एक इंडिया में ही है.
अच्छा, अब तो 4 से 3 कॉन्टिनेंट हो गए. इम्प्रूवमेंट है.
इम्प्रूवमेंट है, हाँ. चार से 3 हो गए, हाँ. Yes.
Nice. Kaustav, yeah, it was a lot of fun talking to
It
you.
was a lot of fun, man. Yeah.
Yeah. I know.
मैंने
सुबह
आपको, I
sorry.
mean, नहीं, no problem.
हाँ.
It's बोला ना कि it would be a good day from now. मैंने
Yeah.
आपको just Instagram पे आपके इतने ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स नहीं थे तब से देखा, तो it was pretty good, man, to
No
talk
way,
to
अरे
you. Yeah.
thank you
I mean,
यार.
from the start itself, there was one reel which went viral, and then your Instagram just really picked up, right? So
It
I
picked up
had,
two years में
yeah,
it picked up quite a
yeah,
bit.
yeah. I know, I know. So
But
one of my friends
crazy.
sent me your reel, and then yeah, I started following you, and again, it's
Oh,
it's pretty good
nice.
journey for you as well.
Thanks. Yeah, man. I mean, we all, as you said, we all are just, trying out different things.
Right.
As I told you, this is all of this Instagram thing. It was kind of after work, as they say, after work shenanigans. Um, पर by luck, क्या पता चल गया तो चल गया.
अच्छा ही चल रहा है एकदम.
Yeah,
Right.
hopefully. But yeah, I this is, I think I'm having so much fun talking to people, and like, it's nice when I talk to someone and it's so chill. Um, and I love talking to people again from Pune, so that there is,
Yeah.
वो एक connection बन जाता है.
Connection feels like home.
Yeah. So I won't keep you more because वरना ये job भी चली जाएगी. Please go to work.
Yes,
अभी तो
yes.
Friday है तो ये
अभी तो
weekend है
फ्राइडे,
ना.
आज तो थोड़ा चिल है. हाँ, राइट.
Chill है. हाँ, कुछ
Okay.
scenes weekend के कुछ scenes.
नहीं, अभी तक तो नहीं, अभी तो रिलैक्सिंग करेंगे. क्या अभी तो कुछ.
Relax. Nice.
Yeah.
Well, Kaustubh, thanks again, yeah. And
Thanks, Pranay.
yeah, we'll stay in touch. Before I let you go, do you
Yeah.
have anything you want to plug? Agar kuch, your social media pages or LinkedIn, yeah, it can be a software product you're building. Kuch bhi agar.
You can plug LinkedIn. So if
Okay.
any case anyone has any questions or advice they need to have, they can reach out.
Perfect. I'll get
Yeah.
that from you and then I'll put it in the
Yes.
description. And
Yep.
yeah, if anyone has any questions, if anyone wants to, I'm forgetting what the word is, but kind of हाँ में हाँ मिलाना. If अगर anyone wants to हाँ में हाँ
हाँ, मिलाना.
मिलाना उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते पता नहीं. Comment below. You can reach out to me or you can directly reach out to Kaustubh at his LinkedIn. Yeah. Anything else, Kaustubh?
I'm good, man.
Round table items.
No, I'm good. It was good talking to you.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
It was
yes,
a pleasure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Chalo.
you, Pranay. Yeah, chalo.
Yeah.